Thank you for visiting the Ganache Code. The best way to go through this website, page 1 will show multiple examples of getting market direction days in advance using the proprietary Ganache Code SR tool. Page 2 will show examples of trade entry for the direction days using the proprietary Ganache Code 1S and 2S tool for precision entry. Page 3 will be more video examples of both direction days and trade entry. Page 4 will give a detailed description of the Ganache Code Elite trading course, software, training, trade room, etc. I want to thank you for visiting the Ganache Code.